Welcome back to 30 Days of JavaScript. We will be working with this Memoize problem. It's the last problem of function transformations. This is our first medium problem. So let's start with this. Problem statement says given a function fn, return a memoized version of that function. A memoized function is the function that will never be called twice with the same inputs. Instead, it will return a cached value. You can assume there are three possible input functions: sum, fib, and factorial. Like sum accepts two integers a and b and returns a plus b. Assume that if a value already has a cache for the arguments b comma a, where a not equals to b, it cannot be used for arguments a comma b. For example, if arguments are 3 comma 2 and 2 comma 3, two separate calls should be made. Then fib accepts a single integer n and returns 1 if n is less than equals to 1, or fib n minus 1 plus fib n minus 2 otherwise. For factorial, it accepts a single integer n and returns 1 if n is less than equals to 1, or factorial n minus 1 into n otherwise. So in order to create a memoize function, we need something which would memoize the value. So let's name it a cache, and it will be an object. We will get the cache key from here. We will be doing json.stringify for this. For all the arguments, we'll just stringify them, and we'll check if cache key is in this cache. Then we will return the cache of cache key. Otherwise, we will store it in cache and call this function using the args, and this will ensure that we are storing the value from this in cache and we're returning it. So let's run this and see if it is working properly. So it's working properly. Now let's submit our code. Okay, so that's it. Our code is passing all the test cases. So Memoize is done. Catch you in the next one. Thanks.